Tired of the rock and roll wobble inside your RV? Beech Lane's Universal Stabilizer will instantly solve your wobble problems without breaking the bank. This product was thoughtfully designed in the USA with a host of unique features to make your rig more stable. A wide top bar delivers more surface area contact with the RV frame to ensure maximum support. The top bar is also hinged in the middle, which allows the stabilizer to fold in half for a small storage footprint. Top quality aluminum and marine grade stainless steel construction deliver years of consistent outdoor performance. Plus, no tools are required for assembly. Compatible with motorhomes, fifth wheels, trailers, and pop-up campers that have between 12 and 26.5 inches of ground clearance. Please make sure to measure your RV's ground clearance before purchasing. Beech Lane is an American company located in North Carolina and offers USA-based product support. The Universal RV Stabilizer includes a no-hassle lifetime manufacturer warranty.